Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable interfaces for internal project dashboards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Airtable base that contains the data for your project. Navigate to the Interfaces tab on the top menu. Click on the Create an Interface button. Choose a template that best fits your project dashboard needs. Select a layout that suits your style, such as a simple grid or a detail page. Click Use this layout to open the interface editor. In the editor, you'll see options to add different elements like charts, tables, and forms. Drag and drop elements from the sidebar onto your interface canvas. For each element, connect it to the relevant table or view in your base. Configure the settings for each element to customize how data is displayed. Adjust filters to ensure only the relevant information appears on your dashboard. Add interactivity by using buttons or toggle switches if needed. Use the styling options to change fonts, colors, and backgrounds for better visual appeal. Preview your interface by clicking on the Preview button in the top right corner. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your dashboard live. Share the link to your interface with team members for collaboration. Regularly update the interface as your project progresses to keep everyone informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.